Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's me, Michelle. So today I'm going to show you guys how to use one planner for everything. And the one planner I'm using is the cloth and paper planner. So what we're going to track are meals. We're going to track meals for fitness. We're going to track our workouts. We're going to track out our to-dos. We're going to keep a copy of we're going to have goals. We're going to talk about like our things that we do on a regular basis, kids, home stuff, cleaning. We're going to do all that in one planner, because I know a lot of times we want to have like a bunch of sections, but that's not always financially feasible for everyone. So I want to give options to people to see that if you want to just use one monthly and weekly planner, that is definitely something that you will be able to do. So we're going to jump right into it, and I'm not going to use any stickers. I'm going to use a planner and some pens. So this is actually the HP Classic size. I really don't know what to do with these inserts from cloth and paper. So because of that, I'm going to use them to make videos because I really don't know what to do with these. So we're going to jump right into this. So here it starts off, it really makes it a lot easy for us. It starts off with goals. So we could put our goals here. So say one of our goals is going to be, what do we want one of our goals to be? So say we want one of our goals to be, let's say, we'll put lose 10 pounds, right? That's probably more than what most people will lose, but we'll just put lose 10 pounds. So what we can do is put what we need to do daily here, and we could put daily, so this way we can know what we need to do every day. Daily workout, water intake, track food. So that's what we can do daily. Then weekly, we could put check weight. So you could break down daily and weekly in this section of what you want to do. And then say another one is to read. This is actually one of my goals. Read 2 books. So then we could put the 2 books we want to read. And then we could put like a blurb, read 20 minutes daily. That may be too much for some people. And you could just listen to it for 20 minutes, like on your way to work, or when you have some downtime, you can listen to the books. So you could put The Jungle by Upton Sinclair is one of my favorite books. And we'll just put Urban Apologetics. I've already read both of those books. These are just examples where you could put, so like if you have any other goals that you want to have for the month, you could put your goals there. You can just do 3 goals. One could be, I don't know, whatever other goal you want to have. So then down here, you can put your daily cleaning schedule. So your daily cleaning, your weekly cleaning, and your monthly cleaning. So for day, you can put make bed, do dishes, wipe surfaces, vacuum. These are just some of the stuff I do. Weekly can be, laundry. Weekly can be, I was going to put laundry, but I normally do laundry on a daily basis as needed. So weekly can be clean bathroom, clean kids' room. So dust would be monthly. Change bedding, wash bedding. You can do that once a week. So those are just some things that you can do. So dust, organize. I just go through things and reorganize it as needed. So you can just put that here. So you can put your cleaning schedule here. And so this is already self-explanatory. You could put like your main bill. So say we'll just put mortgage come out. This is $1,000. So you could put like your household bills here. Your mortgage, let's see, gas, electric, say they both come out the same day, water, um, cell phone, and I'm just really just putting stuff down, and you can put 300 for both, 250, 100. I don't, my life is a little different, so I don't really want to put the numbers that I would pay because um, they might look a little interesting to people. So we have an intentions spot right here. So any thing important that you have coming up, you can put that here. So we will save this, or actually what you could put is like anything that you want to try, but we come back to this. So here is where you can keep track of what you eat every day. So let's see how many is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So you could use these two sections to keep up with your meals that you eat daily. So you can put Monday the 1st, and you can put let's see, smoothie, coffee, steak, and potatoes. And then you could put Tuesday the 2nd, Wednesday 3rd, Thursday the 4th, Friday the 5th. And then you can just put like 6, 7, and you can even put like 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 here. And then you can, like, you probably have to write a little small, but you could put like smoothie, chicken, rice, coffee. I don't even drink coffee, but people do drink coffee. And just like use this to track. So use these two sections together to kind of track your meals. And then we get to the monthly section, and these are just like what I'm talking about are things that people typically track on a regular basis anyway. So then you can use this monthly section, and of course you can put like paydays in here, any kids activities like tap, so you can put that in here, like all the kid activities. You can put in here in all of your other bills. So like Netflix comes out, and you can use this calendar for your bills, what you would normally do, any important appointments like dentist at 3 p.m., stuff like that. Then you will use this section for stuff like birthdays and anniversaries. This is September the 30th is actually my cousin's birthday, cousin's B-day. I'm going out of town, supposed to be going out of town. We'll see what happens. You could put 1st through the 5th, DC. So this is like, you could put those things here for like whatever important dates that you have. And then you can use this section for like anything that you might have coming up. So again, we've already done goals. We have done family stuff that you can keep on your calendar, which you still will put on your weekly. We got family stuff. We have fitness workouts, stuff like that. You can also use the note sections to track like your weight and your measurements. So you can use this for weight and measurements. So again, you're doing it once a week. So 1, 8, 15, 22, 29. So you could put like weight 250, and then put in for neck, I don't know, 13, chest, I don't know, whatever your measurements are. So you can use this to track your weight and your measurements. That way you can keep track of all of that here, and you can put that in the notes section. So far we have tracked our daily stuff. We tracked our goals. We've tracked our cleaning. We have tracked, and these are some of the things that I do like in my planner that I really check out the most. So if you don't have an inbox section, you can actually use this section for your inbox section to just kind of write down things that are coming up. And so that way you know. So we'll just put inbox. So as things come in, you can be like October the 30th party. Say December 5th, you have something coming up, and you can just put like December 5th appointment, whatever you need to do. So you can kind of use this section as an inbox section to list anything that comes up or if something comes on your mind. SEO research. Like you could use this as your inbox section. Then we get to the weekly. Let me get this other weekly, and you would just basically use this how you would a weekly in general. And so when you get here, say you do YouTube, you can put your YouTube video. So you can put how to use one planner. And then once you upload it, check it off. Bulk record, like if you're going to record the videos. Veda, which is video every day in August. Veda schedule. So you can use this for like social media. You can put Amazon Reels. Like if you get something from Amazon, you like how it works, you can put a reel. So you can use this section to track your social media if that's what you if you do social media. If not, you can just use this for like appointments, important stuff that comes up, or task that comes up that don't necessarily have a day. You can use that for just tasks that you need to do that's not date related. And then again, as it goes, just check it. Just check it off. And if you want to do it for both, you can put a line. And then for tasks that doesn't have a date, say you want to print documents. Like, and there's no specific date that you need those documents printed. Buy school supplies. And like, you don't really have a specific day, but if you're out, you can just pick up the school supplies. So you can use this for both, either one, however you want to do it. So that's one way that you can do this. And then again, I like that this is like a list section. So you can split it in half. And this can be personal. And this can be work. So you could put run reports, backup data, meeting, trainings. I mean, we all do different stuff at work. So you can put like whatever thing you need to do for work. And then personal, say you have a dentist appointment at 5:30. Put that there. Say you plan on doing a load of laundry. You can put load laundry. Basketball for the kids, or if you play basketball, people do, again, we all do different stuff. I'm an adult and I take piano lessons, so you can do basketball in there. Whatever you got going on. So you can use this to do your personal and your work without it being too much, which is why I do like this. And even if you have the horizontal, it's already broken up with grid and with the personal space, and you can just use that, like the grid to do work and then the non-grid to do personal. So you can break it up that way. So this is a way that you can use one planner to do everything without having to put all the stuff in one place. And even if you're in school, you can still do the same thing. In personal, you can put read for class, and that way you will have everything together. So this is how you can use one planner. It really is possible. I know we like to have a bunch of planners doing a bunch of stuff, but if we don't need to have all of that, it saves us money. So if you want a nice planner, but you don't want to spend a whole bunch of money, but you want to still have something that's functional, you can just go cloth and paper. I think it's normally 20% off during Black Friday. You can go get and they have Monday starts too, so you can go get the horizontal or vertical weekly, whichever one you prefer. They all have like this whole setup. And then you can get those and start to plan how you want your planner to look. And you could really just get that. You can get some and you honestly, you can get cheap disc and a cheap cover, or just get that from Cloth and Paper too, and then just make your own planner. And you'll be set for the whole year without having to break the bank, without having to buy a bunch of dividers and buying all the stickers. Like I said, you can use pen, and you can just go to like place like Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, and find you pens for a good price. You can get some nice little highlighters from the dollar store and stuff. And if you go to Michael's, you might be able to catch stuff on clearance, and they do sell like mouth liners and stuff and Tombows for separately, so you don't have to get a whole pack. So you can go to Michael's and get like a Tombow when they're having like a 25% off sale. They're on like $3.49, and so you can go when it's a 25% off sale, even 20%. And then that'd be 70 cents off, and then that way you will be able to get it for like 280 for the marker. So then you can get a Tombow. It doesn't have, you don't have to have all the colors. You can just get, one or two colors that you like, and that way as stuff happens, or if you want to, you can start like, highlighting things. Like say it's like as you go down and you're working your stuff that you're doing, you can start highlighting and or highlight stuff in colors. You can get like 2 or 3 of them, which again wouldn't still be that expensive. Get you a nice pack of pens, and you can get like the Sharpie pens, which are really good pens as well. Get them in multiple colors. Like they'll have a pack for like $5-6, maybe $7, that has multiple colors in it. So then you have like blue, red, pink, green, orange, whatever colors you want. So that way you can color code that way too. So those are just some ways that we can use one planner, have our lives together, not have to break the bank, because we're in the end game, tinky winky, with a recession. So I just wanted to just give some ways that will be helpful to what we have, what's going on in real life in this world. So I hope that was helpful. And you can also go and buy sell trade groups too. But I hope all that was helpful. I hope everyone's having a good day, and I'll see you in another video. Peace.